Hi, welcome back to Heartland Outdoor School's Animal Encounters. My name is Kendrick, and I'm bringing you another animal. So last week we brought you a new animal each day, and last Monday we brought you a snake with Kellogg's, our corn snake. Today we're bringing you another snake with Hadassah, our ball python. Ball pythons are native to Africa, where they will live in the savanna regions, and they get their name from a defense mechanism that they use, where if they're feeling threatened, they will actually curl their bodies up into a very, very tight ball with their head kind of hidden inside of that ball, and that is where they get their name, ball python. Now, the natural colorings of a ball python are what you see here with Hadassah: the browns, the tans, and a white underside. However, humans have hybridized them in order to look all sorts of different colors. You can have yellow ones, white ones, so lots of different colors that you can now get. Ball pythons are known as constrictors, which means that when they attack their prey, which they eat usually small mammals and rodents, when they attack their prey, they'll actually curl around them and squeeze them. They'll constrict them, and that stops the blood circulation in their prey, which then kills it, and then they eat it whole. So ball pythons, they can exert a force of about 4 psi, or pounds per square inch. And that's not really a lot, when you think about it in human terms, but when you think about a little tiny mouse, 4 psi is quite a bit of force being pushed on your entire body. Another very, very interesting feature of ball pythons are the heat pits that they have on the side of their face between the eye and the nostril. Now, these heat pits allow them to sense infrared light, which is heat. And so they actually don't have very good eyesight, so they use those heat sensing pits to find their warm-blooded prey, and then they can strike with a lot more accuracy. In the wild, ball pythons can live about 30 to 40 years. The oldest one on record is about 47. And so that is our ball python. They make very good pets because despite their size, they're actually very docile in nature. They do not really strike at humans. And despite their thickness, they actually only ever grow to be about 4 to 5 feet long. So they're not very long compared to how girthy they are. So they make good pets. Hadassah is a great animal that we have here at the Nature Center. Tune in tomorrow, where we will be bringing you a new mammal. Last week you met one of our chinchillas. Tomorrow we're going to bring you a very, very nutty mammal who is just a joy in the Nature Center. So for today, say goodbye to Hadassah, and I'll see you tomorrow.